Back here in the Midlands, the new mayor of Blythewood is making some big changes in the town, starting with firing 2 outside council attorneys. Here again is Peyton Lewis.
Sloan Griffin, the newly elected mayor of Blythewood, announced Monday that the town fired 2 law firms helping them with different litigation cases. On November 29th, Griffin mailed a contract termination letter to the law office of Shannon Burnett, saying their legal services would no longer be needed. Then on December 11th, the mayor sent another letter to the Maynard Nexon law firm to terminate their contract as well. Maynard Nexon was handling a defamation and wrongful termination lawsuit from MPA Strategies filed by their chief executive officer, Ashley Hunter. Judge Clifton Newman was handling the lawsuit and decided to drop it due to destruction of evidence. The Maynard Nexus law firm was in the process of working on a settlement, giving a statement about the termination, saying, quote, Maynard Nexon is very proud of the work it did to uncover MPA Strategies and Ashley Hunter's destruction of evidence and the subsequent sanction order signed by Judge Clifton Newman. The order allows the town to recoup the majority of its legal fees and costs against Ashley Hunter and MPA for destruction of evidence. Hunter sent us this statement in regard to the law firm's contract being terminated. She says, quote, after almost 3 years of nefarious spending, more than $500,000 behind the public's back, today is an enormous victory for the citizens of Blythewood. As for the lawsuits, I look forward to putting the relentless defamatory statements and the continued intimidation tactics from the town's previous mayor and his lawyers behind me. Mayor Griffin says the spending Hunter is referring to is part of the reason he terminated both contracts.
My professional opinion is that, it's time to move forward. It's time to move on and pretty much time to drain the swamp. We've been spending so much money on litigation, and that's just in attorney fees. In my opinion, we hadn't got anywhere.
However, council members like Rich McHenrick believe the terminations never should have happened.
Judge Newman found her guilty of destroying evidence and ruled that the attorney handling this case moving forward could sanction her to reimburse the town for our legal fees. So, the mayor wants to tout all the money that has been spent. Well, by his actions today, he just cut the legs out from under Blythewood to try to recoup that money. So it's very odd to me.
The mayor defended his decision, saying under the strong mayor form of government in Blythewood, his actions were in line with what's in his power.
Respectfully, we're going to make sure that everybody on council understands the form of government that we do have, and that's the strong mayor form of government.
Reporting in Columbia, Peyton Lewis, News 19 WLTX.
And Mayor Griffin says his next order of business will be focused on bringing more quality of life improvements to the town of Blythewood. When we